of a false statement, there were weapons of mass destruction, went ahead and invaded Iraq, but invited us. I said, I really do not know why we were there. 700 of our medical corps nagpunta doon. Kaya sabi ko, is this how you repay? Is this the way of gratitude you're showing to us? What have we done? Anong kasalanan ng mga kababayan? What are the sins that they committed? That you have to mold them, hurt them, broke their whatever, rape. Ang unang mag-rape, yung employer, tapos ibigay niya sa anak, tapos ibigay ng anak sa mga barkada niya. That is what happens there. And everybody was keeping a blind eye. Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya to. Kaya sabi ko, nagputok ako. Kaya yung iba, bahala kayo. Basta ako, hindi ko matanggap yan. So there are now about 3 or 4 guys from Kuwait. They are waiting in Manila. So, hintay kayo dyan. I'm not in the mood of talking to anybody. Marami akong problema, sabi ko. Don't fuck with me. You go. Kaya napunta naman ako dito, any different. My anger is not really, but at the situation. The terrorists are spreading all throughout the Philippines. You know that. I am not mad at the Maranaos, for they are even my blood brothers. But I am angry at the terrorist, whether he is a foreigner or not. Kaya ko kayo pinatawag para malaman ninyo ang sitwasyon that there is a brewing trouble because of the regrouping of some terrorist cells there. Mga sleepers, even in Cebu and Mindanao. That corridor there between Lanao del Norte, Lanao del Sur, papuntang Buldon, then to Maguindanao, it's a very dangerous place. They are there. Ako naman ayaw ko ng gulo. Kung maaari lang, gusto kong mag-usap lang tayo. Because I know that there is a more valid reason to be fighting there. But it is that right does not give it to anybody to just go there and fight. Ang galit ng mga Moro is, which is really true, that when Mindanao was divided by the Americans and opened it for exploitation, they were sloganeering, go to Mindanao because it is the land of promise. They never thought of the descendants of Adam and Eve there, much ahead. So, before Magellan landed here somewhere in Leyte, Islam was thriving already amongst the tribe of Mindanao. Islam na ang Mindanao. Kaya pag Kristiyanos ka, or if you're not in Maranao, Maguindanao, Iranon, Sama, Kagan, Tausog, pati itong isang, sila sa lupo din sa Basilan, hindi ka taga Mindanao. You are not original. If your culture is salita mo Bisaya. Kasi lahat naman tayo puro may tribo. In the ancient times, Cebu was called Sugbo. And the tribe was Sugbuanon. At itong mga Ilonggo, Ilonggo na sila, pero ang tribe nila Hiligaynon. Pero hindi na umabot ang Ifyo, Lapu-Lapu, and Raha Suliman. They are really Filipino Moro. Well, at that time, not yet, kasi wala pang, pagdating ni Magellan, he landed somewhere in Leyte, then brought his cannons, gunpowder, muskets, and swords. So bludgeoned everybody into submission as Christians. And the record of that religion is, I had an occasion to study in the archives when I was a congressman. I took time to read. They were really ahead sa Mindanao. This is a place, the situation was created by the colonials. Even Sulu, walang nakarating na Amerikano doon yung panahon na, not even a footprint. But you know, I really cannot trace why na pati yung Hulo, and to their sorrow, they were made part of the Republic of the Philippines, and yet not one, except in Zamboanga lang sila. So yun ang totoo dyan. They never fought in Hulo because nobody was there. At that time, think of it, 500 years has passed. Do you think you could find one? Wala yan, pero nasali sila. No, at the time, the Philippines was really big. Mindanao was 5 times vacant than the mountains now. Walang kasalanan to, tayo. Because ang tatay ko, taga rito sa Danao, Cebu. But they were embernas luganiring that they go to Mindanao because it is the land of promise. Why? Nobody was willing to work for them because they were, most of them, mga sundalo, Protestant. Islam sila eh. So they had to invent a slogan, go to Mindanao because it is the land of promise. And they started to divide the land through homestead, then introduce the Torrens title. Not really realizing that they are the children of the original Malay who were there. Because Asia was part of this Visayas Empire. So they had every right to go wherever they wanted because it was claimed by a kingdom. Ngayon, pagpasok ng Amerikano, masakir dito, masakir doon, and even in Samar, ang two congressman says that wag daw isauli kasi the underpinnings